Hey there friends, really quick video today. I'm working on my framed fat tire bike and having some problems with my quick release on my Bluto front fork. This is a front suspension fork by Rockshox for the fat tire bike. And some of you may be having the same kind of problems with this Rockshox through axle. Instead of the quick release, this is actually attached to the axle that goes straight through the front hub there. And basically what's happening is I have the axle tightened down in, but now my quick release is just super loose. So let me show you how to adjust this. Down inside the quick release is a little hexagonal bolt there that we need to get to. And if you move your axle up just like this, there's actually a hole that's designed in order to get in there and get to it. So what I'm going to use is a little Allen key here. This is a size 2, and so I'm just going to go ahead and stick it straight through here, and it's going to fit into that little bolt there that you can see right in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it to the right. You're going to hear it click. And basically that's just tightening things down. Now, after giving it just a few clicks there, watch what happens. This gets nice and tight. In fact, that's a little bit too tight. So I'm gonna have to loosen this up just a little bit in order to make sure it closes correctly. So let's go counterclockwise, a couple of turns, and then see if I can get that with my thumb. And boom, there you go, nice and snug and tight. Again, that should fix that super loose handle there. If that does, hit that thumbs up button. Lets us know we're making helpful videos. And stay tuned. We're going to make a bunch more bike videos, tutorial videos. Those are coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.